Okay, this is the first bike ped bridge across Lady Bird Lake, Colorado River, here in Austin, Texas, USA. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. On your left, my World Palm Wheels Retired World Bike Tour, and that's looking downriver, downtown Austin, Texas, USA. This is the bike ped overpass.
But in a restful way.
That's looking upriver. Okay, and now I will be back. I'm going to finish getting this across all the way. On your left, a la izquierda. Gracias, thank you. It is a great machine, yeah, absolutely. Okay, this is good. I'm just going to do the turnaround here. I'm not going to go off. Certainly, I'm not going to go down the steps. Oh wait, I can. There are no steps, of course. This is good. Now this is on the north side of Lady Bird Lake, Colorado River, the dammed up Colorado River. And I'm now descending, but I'm going to return on this ascent as I go all the way around. Nice, easy grade. Perfect for people who are pushing perambulators or cyclists. People who aren't going to push or their own pedals going up here. And I'm going to do unless there's another way I can do it, no, there isn't. I'm going to do a U here. That's Lamar Street. Okay. That's it. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Palm Wheels Retired World Bike Tour. And see, Retired World Bike Tour. And today is Saturday, the 6th of September 2025. Que tengan buen día. Adios.